This is Ashley from RecPro, and we're going to be talking about our RV 120 volt to 12 volt converter, the product code for which is RP-2152. Now this works for LED light strips, appliances, power accessories, CCTV and surveillance cameras, computer projects, and more. It's thin and durable, it has the silver finish, it has an aluminum casing, and this casing allows for an easy heat dissipation, which helps it live longer and keep more stability in the unit. Now it is corrosion resistant, it's high heat resistant, and it has protection built into it against short circuits, overloads, over temperature, and over voltage. So it keeps things safe, and it is also suitable for dry, damp, and wet conditions, which you can find out more about on the site. It is UL listed, and it has a simple bolt-on installation. So it includes a 120 standard plug, and then 2 DC cords on this side. So if you want to find out more about this, you can check it out on our site in the link below. Then like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're going down the road, roll with RecPro.